We got the crew cab right here, low and wide. Mr. Sierra over there. And the OBS. Where's my keys at? What the fuck? What the fuck are my keys at? Right now, it's basically straight pipe, open headers. I got shorty headers on this. And this thing is stupid loud, I'm not even gonna lie. It's like exaggerated loud. About to go to this muffler shop right here in oh shit, right here in Mesquite. I'm gonna go get this Carven and dual tips installed. So that's why we got this bad boy right here, the Carven exhaust, and we're gonna put these 2 dual tips right there, bro. So yeah, shit. I gotta go get gas real quick though. Shit, fucking. But yeah, it's like obnoxious as fuck, so hopefully it quiets it down. And yeah, shit, we'll see. Man, why the fuck smell like a lot of gas? Hold them up, hold them up. Bro, this thing looks so sick. Gotta get some gas. Hell no. Risking my fucking life for a video, cuz. Motherfucker wanna race? Nah. Where's that hoe at? Oh, it's right there. Oh, it's right there. I guess I gotta bust the U. And they done with my baby already. Like 10-minute job. Damn, that motherfucker looks sick right there. Motherfucker looks sick. ¿No has ido yo bien? Sí, se escucha muy bonito ese Carven. CNN stickers. Damn, so they finished up with the truck. This motherfucker sounds mean, bro. This motherfucker sounds... Do not drive fire. This motherfucker sounds mean. Damn. Bro, this truck sounds so much better now. it sounds so good, like. Bro, this thing sounds good, bro. It sounds just how I wanted it to sound. I'm finna show y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all at the crib. Bro, this motherfucker sounds good. That hoe sounds good, bro. And you're looking at that hoe from up here. This thing is pretty. She's pretty. She's so pretty. Hell yeah, bro. This hoe sounds so clean. Let's give it a few revs. I'm gonna rev it right now. Watch. Like it sounds so quiet right now. It sounds so quiet right now. Man, pick them welds too. I don't know if I can see them right there. A1 work, bro. Let's give this hoe some revs. Let's give this hoe some revs. Like that motherfucker is loud, bro. Bro, it's like beyond my expectations. Like that's exactly how I wanted the truck to sound. I wanted the truck to be like quiet at idle, and whenever you put your foot down, like to hear it, you know. Fuck with it a lot. I'm gonna put that on all my trucks. It sounds clean as fuck. But yeah, shit. I don't know if that's gonna be a wrap with the video. Got a little gray right there. I'm gonna give you a little walk around of all the other trucks though before the video ends. So I'm gonna give you a little walk around. What the fuck? Oh shit. Give you a little walk around of all the trucks. Right there, the little bagged NMBS on intro 28. I have it a little bit aired up right now. It's not aired out. This motherfucker, I got some big plans for this one. Really big news. Right here, we got the low and wide NMBS Silverado again. And we got another NMBS, damn, Sierra. It's not on a lift kit. It just has an 11-link kit right now. This is Silverado, low and wide. Bro, this hoe is my baby. This hoe is sick as fuck, bro. I fuck with this hoe a lot. The look of it, the stance on it. And then right here, we need to fix this one. This hoe right here is misfiring. I feel like it's an injector because it does it only sometimes, like some dirty fuel injectors or something. And then we got a little OBS over here. And then also my brother's Tahoe, which he isn't here. Possibly my dad's Ford. I want to convince him to drop it like on a 2.4 drop or a 3.5 drop. So his Ford looks clean. I feel like that whole look badass. Do some races with this one. But yeah, shit, that's about it. We put the Carven exhaust on the OBS, and it shit sounds badass. I fuck with it a lot. We put the Carven and those two dual tips, and yeah, shit. Catch y'all on the next video. I got a whole bunch of other video ideas. Just follow me on the gram, Compa Warner, same as the YouTube. And yeah, shit. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Shit, Boney out.
Wrong, bitch.
What, nigga?